Hey guys, I want to show you my gate opener. I want to show you that this is everything that's actually in the box. And a couple things to point out. I did take a look at the manual and turns out we actually got some extra supplies here. So this is all the accessories that come with the gate normally. But there's optional accessories. Like for instance, this is photocell beam system, which is right here, two of them. That's an optional accessory. But something that you might be wondering, can you set up like a mounting type of pad for a keypad on outside so you actually could come up and press in the code? Yes, you could do that. Here's a little close-up of all the optional accessories. So we have this accessory and this one included in the box. Then of course you're gonna have this external receiver, wireless keypad, mount post for keypad, exit one, wireless push button, another wall push button, you know, things like that. And then this is everything that's actually included in this box right here. So you have the motor itself, you have the two keys, you have the extension bolt, 4 pieces. You also have pen head screws, you have these additional leveling pad and bolts, 1 set. Then you have the magnet assembly, you have the magnet brackets right here, of course the base plate, and that's pretty much it here. Here's an alarm lamp which was actually included, so that's kind of cool. And here's the mounting plate for this unit, and of course over here we have the sliding gate opener. Max weight of the gate 800 kilograms, which is a lot. That's how much it weighs in, so just slightly over 22 pounds 13 ounces. So it does have this key over here. You can put the key in and you get to open it up like this and then close it. You might be wondering, where does the power supply goes? It goes into here. So it looks like we're gonna have like a negative and a positive possibly on those sides, but you know, confirm with the instructions. So we have other places for accessories to be plugged in, like keypads and stuff like that that you could set up on the outside could be plugged in over here. But from what it looks like to me is you got like the normal kind of like a fuse panel type of setup where you have like these screws that you could twist, and you could basically simply put a wire in here and a wire in there, and then basically just tighten up the screw and then the connection's made. So this is like one of the ways that you actually could hook up your power switch. And of course here's an on button and an off button position. If I was to run any type of wiring and stuff like that, I would route it right into here, and then basically you could see like there's a hole right there. It would allow you to basically have the wires go from the bottom through that hole and then wherever you need them to go. Up on a mounting plate, guys, and there's several choices of mounting them. You could actually put like these metal plates right over that and use these bolts, and then you could also do this method. So from what it looks like, you have basically choices whether you're gonna install these into concrete and or basically a setup like this that maybe mounts into like a plate or something like that. But you basically have all of these anchors and you basically do anything you want. So when you're gonna be done with mounting your bolts, you gotta add these to it, and it's gonna nicely cover everything up. There you go. So here's a little example as to how you're gonna mount this plate with the motor. You could see basically the concrete pad and the cable that runs through there. So when you're gonna be pouring yourself like a little concrete pad, you want to make sure that you give yourself some, you know, place for all the wires to go through. Maybe like a PVC pipe for all the wires that you could run them later, you know, something like that.